This is Lexus LX 570. Code we have C1380. Stop lamp relay failure code. In this video I will show you where is the stop lamp relay location. This car has two stop lamp relay. One is front left side of the engine. This is the red color relay. This is the stop lamp control relay. Yeah, brake light control relay, stop lamp control relay. And another relay location inside the car, left side of the dash, near the smart key ECU. This is the smart key ECU. You can see this is the relay white, and this is the smart key ECU, and this one the stop lamp relay. Let's see where is the problem in this car. C1380 code, stop lamp relay location. So stop lamp relay failure code. This is I remove the stop lamp relay. You can see stop lamp relay. This car has two relay. One is front near the battery, red color, and this is the electronics relay. You can see there goes inside water. The water is goes inside, and the relay is damaged. The reason is no brake light and the ABS light is on. Thank you for watching.